Adding photos and videos to a job on the go is made easy with the Fergus Go app. You can take photos and videos before you start the job, during the job, or once you're done, and easily add them to the job or upload them via forms and certificates. Let's start with photos. First, navigate to the job card where you want to upload the photos. You can add a photo to a job in two ways, by scrolling down to the Photos section in the Tools menu or by tapping on the Add button and choosing from one of the two photo options. You can take a new picture using your phone's camera or select from photos you've already taken that are saved onto your device. Once you've selected or taken the photos that you want, they'll be added to the job or the job phase that you're on. This is a good way to keep a visual record of your work and also track the progress of the job. A lot of our customers use it for before and after photos, either just for them internally or to share with their customer at the end. Photos you've added to the job can then be added to forms and certificates so you can ensure all job details are captured when sending documents to customers. You'll find a badge next to the Photos section, which tells you how many photos have already been added to this job. Head here to view already added photos, add new ones, or delete ones you no longer need. You can bulk delete photos by tapping the Select button, tapping individual photos, or select all to choose all photos and then hit the Delete button. You can look across photos added to the main job or different job phases by tapping on the chips at the top of the screen. Now, let's take a look at videos. You'll want to navigate to the Video section just below Photos. Again, a badge will display here representing the number of videos already added to this job. Select whether you want to add a video to the main job or one of the job phases by tapping on the chips at the top of the screen. You can tap on the Add button to choose whether you want to take a video using your camera or select a video saved on your device. It's important to note that limitations on video uploads apply across both the web interface and the Fergus Go app. Once you hit the upload limit, the +Add From button will disappear. If you attempt to upload a video from your camera roll or album that exceeds 30 seconds, you'll encounter an error message prompting you to try again. As with photos, you can bulk delete videos by tapping on the Select option in the top right corner, selecting the videos you want to delete, and tapping the Delete button. And that's it! You're all set to upload and manage photos and videos in the Fergus Go app.